Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write 20 most commonly used people idioms in English. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. An idiom is a phrase or a combination of words that has developed a figurative meaning through frequency of use. Idioms are a staple in many different languages and are often shared across languages through numerous translations. They can be useful and even fun to use, but are also bound to confuse any new speaker of a language who isn't familiar with the phrase's cultural relevance. In this video, we will learn 20 such commonly used idioms and their meanings. First one is go the extra mile. It means make a special effort beyond what is expected. Next, hit the nail on the head. This means to be exactly right about something. Next idiom in our list is in the heat of the moment. In the heat of the moment means overwhelmed by what is happening in the present. Next, let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret by accident. Next idiom is make a long story short. Make a long story short means to tell something briefly. Next is miss the boat. Miss the boat means to miss an opportunity. Next idiom is no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain means you have to work hard for something you want. Next idiom is on thin ice. On thin ice means to be in a risky situation. Next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Next idiom is play it by ear. Play it by ear means to improvise. Next idiom is pull someone's leg. To pull someone's leg means to joke or trick someone. Next, put all your eggs in one basket. This means relying on one single thing for success. Next idiom is rain on someone's parade. Rain on someone's parade means to spoil someone's plans. Next is spill the beans. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret. Next idiom is steal someone's thunder. Steal someone's thunder means to take the credit for someone else's achievements. Next is the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court means it is your decision or responsibility now. Next, the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds means the ideal situation. Next idiom is throw in the towel. Throw in the towel means to give up. Next idiom is under the weather. Under the weather means feeling ill. Next, up in the air. Up in the air means uncertain or undecided.